my scrappy friends, I'm doing a monochromatic layout today. It's all going to be in white. I'm starting out with this Crafter's Works Art stencil in Wild Blooms, and then I'm using my light opaque modeling paste from Thinabar, and just like it was cream cheese on toast, just spreading it through all of the open areas of the stencil and getting a nice even like kind of swipe through the stencil for some added texture in the background. Now I got this monochromatic look from the lovely Paige Evans. She did an all white one, and so will I, and it's just beautiful. And I'm using a lot of cardstock die cuts using my Printworks 65-pound gauge white cardstock that I recently hauled. So there's all that lovely luscious texture. And then I cut out the love word on the white iridescent glitter paper that I also got from Printworks. The doily and all the butterflies are used cutting out from the white cardstock as well. So I really just kind of put different patterns through my silhouette cameo to get all of these shapes and die cuts. And then this layout came together fairly easy after that. So I really think this is a great way to scrap quickly because you're only using one color, and so it takes the guesswork out of using multiple things. And B, I would almost do every color like Roy G. Biv and go to town. Now I am auditioning doing 2 3x4 photos on this layout, and I do like it. I just didn't love it. So one did come off the page, and I will save it for another layout. I liked it just with the one picture of Valentina peeking through. And really on the close-ups, you'll see how the iridescent cut file for the love really shines through. It's really a pretty paper, glitter paper that I got from Printworks as well. So I will leave the link down to the supplies I used down below in the description box. And I'm just using Scotch Quick Dry Glue in my fine line bottle. I pick up my fine line bottles at Hobby Lobby, but I know they have them also on Amazon if you're at all curious to have a smaller tipped precision nozzle dispenser. And I made sure to use liquid glue when attaching everything because things with double stick tape never really work out well when it comes to sticking on top of dry modeling paste, just from experience. So the mixed media does complicate it, but if you use a wet glue, it'll definitely hold all of your die cuts on top of it, or if you're doing wood veneer or anything else craft related here. And so thank you so much for joining me. This, like I said, was a quick layout. I hope you give it a try. Like I said, I definitely think I'm going to give it a try in all the colors of the rainbow and kind of have this kind of story amongst my album pages on how I did monochromatic layouts to showcase some of my photos. It's so cute. Thank you so much for joining me. Until next video, bye.